Transform your space with the healing power of pink salt. Watch how easy it is to build your own salt wall. Why add a pink salt wall to your home, office, or kitchen? It improves air quality, reduces stress, and boosts wellness. More than just decor, it's a health upgrade. Looking to breathe easier and feel more relaxed? Start building your pink salt wall today. Watch as we carefully attach each brick to create the wall, step by step. Building a salt wall is simple, but incredibly rewarding. It's the perfect DIY project to enhance your environment with nature's best gift. Create your own salt wall today and enjoy the health benefits that come with it. Don't wait. Transform your space into a wellness sanctuary. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.